Hey viewers, today I'll show you how you can use Canva to create some awesome mug designs. In the Canva search bar, I'll search for mug template. And you can see there are already a lot of options available which you can use and just change their colors and fonts or text. Customize them according to your need and use them for your mug, but I'll show you how to design it from scratch. So let's select the blank mug template. So this is your workspace and you can have a real-time preview of how your mug will look. I'm thinking to design a Mother's Day special mug. So let's begin searching with our first keyword, mother. I'll choose graphics, and there is a quick tip because we're designing a mug, so I don't want any animations, so I'll set animations to static. This will filter out all the animated stickers and graphics. Now I'll choose drag and drop all the elements I like. So the very first step is you just need to see all the elements you are liking and put them on your workspace. We'll see what we want to use actually later and where to position them. So currently I'm just filtering all the elements I like. So yep, once you are satisfied with the elements, let's just see which ones I want. So okay, can use this one. I can use this one. I'm not overfilling my mug with the designs or stickers. I like it simple. Resize them, position them wherever you want. And yeah, so for the background, I am not liking it very plain, so there is a hack. Search for any flower vectors. You just need the outlines, something like yeah, this is perfect. So what you need to do is make it big to fill the complete space. Now what you need to do is first of all position it back and change its color to something light so that it does not interfere with your main elements. I will keep its color light and not bright, so you need a dim and light color. Yeah, that's perfect. So this gives it a very nice texture and a very elegant background. And now for the text, you have a lot of predefined font combinations you can choose for, and for this mug I'll be using this already present font combination, but I guess I don't require this birthday font, so I'm good with this happy font. And I will complete my text with that font only. Reposition it, make it bigger. If you want, you can change its color. I'll be choosing a darker shade of green to complement my other elements, and that's it. And we are done with the mug. So you see how easy it was, and like this you can create a lot of your own customized mugs and give them to your friends and families.